another one of these and I don't have a creative intro. I can't even look at it. My outfit changed, but the first time I did those problems, I was so confused. And then when I did this one, suddenly like my mind just like, you know, and I understand it now. And so let's get to the problem. So for me, I like to write out every single thing, and we're going to start out by writing what's under the cube root. So I just wrote cube root of x to the 6th and cube root of x to the 2nd. This is because when you're looking at cube root of x to the 8th, you want to think of it as how many times can 3 go into that 8. It can go in 2 times, meaning you're going to multiply it. So 3 times 2 is 6. And how many do you have left over? 8 minus 6 is 2. And that's how you get the x squared. So now we're just going to do the same thing but with the y's. And so let's see, we have y to the 7th. So we think, how many times can 3 go into y to the 7th? 2 times. So 3 times 2 is 6. And how many do we have left over? 7 minus 6, which is 1. So after I finish writing this out, whenever that is, well, now let's focus on the denominator. So we're just going to write it all out so that it's easier to simplify. No, I left the last 2 the same because, well, 3 can go into both of them. So now I'm just simplifying it. If the number in the cube root cannot be divided by 3, it is left in the cube root. But if it can, we put it outside. To simplify even further, let's find a like term. So we have x squared and x, and so if you subtract that, we get x. We also have y squared and y to the 4th, and if we subtract that, we get a negative number, meaning we have to put it on the bottom to make it a positive number, because that's how fractions work. And there you have it, there's your answer. Yay, that wasn't so hard, even though I thought it would be hard.